Hello once again, welcome to example 5 on the relations involving square and square root under the change of subject that I started with you in the previous videos. In the previous videos, we started handling another aspect of the change of subject, and that is relations involving square and square root. Okay, and we've done a detailed explanation on it, and we've solved some examples on it as well in the previous videos, and I hope you all understood it and you enjoyed the lesson as well. So this is a continuation to solve another example with you. So this is example 5. As you can see from the board, I've written example 5 on the board, so it means we've already done example 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the previous videos. Okay, so this is just a continuation to solve another example with you so that you get a better understanding of it. Okay, so do well to watch the previous videos because the previous videos lays the foundation. Okay, watch them so that you can easily handle this session as well. As I said, this is just a continuation to solve another example with you, and please don't forget to like the videos and also share them after watching. And if you are watching for the first time, please do well to follow the page as well. Let's go ahead and handle the example 5 that I have on the board. So example 5, it says if p equals m over r squared plus k, make r the subject of the relation. Okay, so we are being asked to make r the subject from the given relation or equation. Okay, and I've explained a lot from the previous videos that anytime you are being asked to make a particular variable the subject in a given equation, all that it means is that that variable that we are talking about, make it stand alone in the given equation. Okay, so here we are being asked to make r the subject from the given equation, so meaning that we are going to make r stand alone in the given equation. So everything that is attached to r, we are going to move it away so that we can get r to stand alone in the given equation, and that is we making r the subject. Okay, and we've done a lot of examples on this in the previous videos. Okay, so let's go ahead. We are going to apply the same knowledge to handle this one. Okay, so let me write down my solution and let's do it together. Okay, so my solution, then I'm going to repeat the equation given. So I have p equals m over r squared plus k. Okay, so we are making r the subject from this given equation. Okay, and also take note that this is an equation that contains fraction. Okay, and I've explained from the previous videos that anytime you have an equation that contains fraction, you have to multiply through by the LCM. Okay, that's the first thing to do. Anytime you have an equation that contains fraction, okay, you multiply through by the LCM. Okay, so now looking at this equation, the LCM is r squared. Okay, because you use the denominator of the fraction to get the LCM. The fraction here is m over r squared, and the denominator of it is the r squared. So the LCM is r squared. We multiply through the equation by r squared. Okay, we've learned this in the previous videos and also under the linear equation as well. Okay, so search my videos that I've done on the linear equation. Okay, and it will help you better understand these things. Okay, and actually this is simple. Okay, the LCM here is just the denominator, okay, of the fraction, and which is the r squared. So you multiply through by the LCM, which is r squared. Okay, so don't also forget that we are going to multiply each term in the equation by the LCM. Okay, so this p, we are going to multiply it by the LCM because the p is one term on its own, and this m over r squared also, we are going to multiply it by the LCM, and this k also, we are going to multiply it by the LCM as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So this is one term on its own, we'll multiply it by the LCM. This is another term on its own, we'll multiply it by the LCM, and this is also another term that we are going to multiply by the LCM. So let's go ahead and do that. So the LCM is r squared, so I'm going to have r squared times p, okay, equals to r squared times m over r squared, then plus my r squared times the k. Okay, I hope you understand up to this point. All that we did is to multiply each term in the equation by the LCM, which is r squared. Okay, let's proceed further and simplify. You can see that this r square and this r square can cancel away. So let's cancel this r square and this r square. Now let's look at what we have left and simplify further. From here we have r squared times p. R squared times p will give r squared p. Okay, I hope you understand and you agree with me. And here, what we have left here is m, because this r square and this r square, they've cancelled away. So we have m left here. So m, then plus. Now, what we have here is r squared times k. They are multiplying. Okay, so let me write my addition sign wall. So r squared times k, it gives r squared k. Okay, and I hope you agree with me up to this point. Okay, so let's go over one more time. R squared times p, it gives r squared p, or p r squared is the same thing. Equal sign is there, then m is left here, so repeat your m, you bring your addition sign which is here. R squared times k, it gives r squared k, or k r squared is the same thing. Okay, so now look at what we have left here. We are making r the subject, keep that in mind. Okay, but if you look at the equation we have now, you see that r is appearing at this side of the equation, and also r is also appearing at this side of the equation. So what we do is that we group all the terms that contains the r at one side. Okay, we did this in the previous videos. Okay, when we started the change of subject at fresh. Okay, we've handled this type of questions. Okay, where we group all the terms that contains the variable that we want to make the subject, then we apply some factorization. It's the same thing we are going to do here. Okay, we've done this in the previous videos. Okay, so again, we are making r the subject. You can see from this equation that r is appearing here and also r is also appearing here. So we group all the terms that contains the r at one side. So let's do that. Okay, so I'll repeat my r squared p which I have here. This r squared k will cross the equal sign to come and join it. It is positive here. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative. When anything crosses the equal sign, the sign it has changes. Okay, don't forget that. That's very important. So it's positive here. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative r squared k, then equals to my m which is there. I hope you agree with me up to this point. Now, from here, what we do to get our r out of it is that, look, we have r squared p minus r squared k. Now, this expression, we need to do factorization to get r out of it. Okay, and factorization means we are bringing the common things out. Okay, I've taught you factorization in the previous videos. Okay, so you can search for the videos that I've done on factorization. I've done factorization as a full topic. Okay, we've treated all the subtopics under the factorization. Okay, the only subtopic under the factorization that I've not taught is factorization where you apply the difference of two squares. Okay, that I'm yet to teach you that one, but all the other types I've taught you. Okay, so watch the videos that I've done on factorization to help you better understand this one. Okay, but let's go ahead and apply the factorization to this one. We are going to factorize r squared out. Factorization means you are bringing out the common thing. So looking at this term and this term, what is common to them is r squared. So we factorize r squared out. Okay, so let's go ahead and factorize r squared out. So when I factorize r squared out, you bring your bracket, then you ask yourself, what will I put here so that when I multiply it by the r squared, I'll get this r squared p back, and that is going to be p. Okay, you bring your minus which is here. Ask yourself the same question, what will I put here so that when I multiply it by the r squared, I'll get this r squared k back, and that is going to be k. Then you close your bracket, equals to the m that I have here. Okay, so let's continue from this side. So I hope you are following. Okay, I'm continuing from this side. So I have my r squared equals, my r squared into bracket p minus k, bracket close, equals to m. Okay, now, here's what we have from here. Okay, so we factorize out, and here's what we have. Okay, so from here, we need to also find a way of taking this p minus k away. Okay, because making r the subject means that r should stand alone in the given equation. So everything which is attached to r, we are going to move it away. So now we have r squared multiplying p minus k. So we have to move this p minus k away. And since they are multiplying, what to do to move the p minus k away is to divide through the equation by p minus k. Okay, I hope you agree with me. So I'll divide here by the p minus k and here also by p minus k, so that this p minus k will cancel this p minus k away. Okay, then let's write what we have left. What I have left here is my r squared equals to m over p minus k. Okay, now we are not done. If you leave it like this, you are wrong, because the question didn't ask you to make r squared the subject. The question said make r the subject. Okay, so it means we need to do something to move this power 2, which is here, away. Okay, and how to achieve that is to now take square root of both sides, and we've done a lot of examples on this in the previous video. So we are going to take square root of both sides, okay, so that we can eliminate this power 2 away, so that I will get our r standing alone. Okay, so I'm going to take square root of the r squared equals to square root of m over p minus k. Okay, I hope you agree with me. So that this power 2 will cancel the square root sign away. Okay, so what we have left is our r equals to square root of m over p minus k. Okay, and this is the final answer for making r the subject from the given equation. Okay, so I hope the explanation was clear enough and you understood it as well. Please don't forget to like the video and also share the video as well. Thank you. Bye bye.